for winter sowing, we're going to show you how we drill a hole in the milk jugs. Go ahead. This tip, whatever it is with the pointy on the end, works best for drilling the holes in the milk jugs. Okay, here you go. So we just drill a couple holes in the bottom. That's good. Holes. Okay. And then juice jugs also work really well. So the juice jugs you want to drill on the side. It's about impossible to drill through the center of them. And then things like you know, cookie containers and salad containers and things like that also work well. You don't have to press hard. Oh, okay. You really don't need a drill for this. Use a box knife. And I cut, you know, where the handle is, just beside there, and just go across. Doesn't have to be straight or perfect. And cut just so you have a little hinge there, you know, just a little bit. And then you'll just fill all this with soil. And on the juice jugs, snowball. Snowball. On the juice jugs, I usually go, you know, this first ridge here at the top and just go across.
I think Snowball's watching a video there. I think Snowball's watching a video.
And just be careful, every year I worry and look at myself doing this. Don't cut on your legs and cut. Use the floor to cut. So it cut just, or a table, just enough so it, you know, it hinges there, and then you'll fill all this with soil.